2015 Hyundai Genesis 5.0. Really beautiful. Converters are up there somewhere on each side. And then secondary converters there. And then what we did, it took the resonator out and put a next pipe in its place. Right there. Then he has exhaust cutouts that are open right now. So you guys will get to hear what it sounds like with exhaust cutouts. There and there. They're open. And then it's got the factory mufflers out the back on each side. So we did a resonator delete and put a next pipe in its place. There's the resonator right there. It's a dual in, dual out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2014 Hyundai Genesis 4-door 5.0. Look at this thing. Let me let you guys see what we did. It's got converters up there and up there. Secondaries there. Then we took the mid resonator out. He wanted it louder, so we said, we got you. Then we took the rear mufflers off. There and there, because he's, like I said, he wanted it louder. So we got you. There's the resonator that was on it. There's the two mufflers that were on it. We took them both off. There and there. And straight piped it, so it's fully straight pipe. Hyundai Genesis 5.0 R spec. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Again. Hear sound decibels on it again. You guys can see 108. Not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. I like it. Not bad. Again. Let you guys hear on this. Ooh. Wow. That's mean. It's got 39,000 miles on it only. Here's sound decibels. 118, guys. Wow. That's amazing. And it's quiet at idle. No noise. At idle, it's quiet.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Yeah. Don't ever underestimate these cars, man. They're quick and full of luxury. That's that Genesis. It's the Mercedes of the Hyundai world. Look at that. This sounds sick. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Bro, they copied the Mercedes so much on the angle of it, like the CLS.
It sounds like almost same
Yeah. Oh, it almost is. Other than the lights, it's almost exactly the same. You see the new ones? The SUVs? Look them up. Hyundai Genesis 4-door 5.0. Sounds sick.